Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you guys how we upload our YouTube videos. Alright, so I'm here in our YouTube dashboard right now, and I'm going to head over to this button right here, which is the upload button. And if you don't know if you're in the YouTube dashboard, make sure it says channel dashboard. Alright, so when I'm ready to upload, I click this button right here, upload video, and then it's going to ask you to select the file. Alright, so it's going to be this video right here. Double click on that. This video is already edited and ready to go. Now I'm just going to wait for it to upload. Down here at the bottom it shows you a percentage. Now I'm also going to be showing you a tool that we use. It's called Tubebuddy, and in particular within Tubebuddy this feature is called SEO Studio, and I'll show you how that works. Alright, so once the video is uploaded, finished processing, what I usually do is I head down here to the playlists area and I add the video to our playlists. So this video, it's about Skype, so this video is going to go in our Tuesday playlist, and then online business essential tools, and then I'm going to scroll down, go to the more options, and then I add the location, which we are in downtown Vancouver, and then I add a recording date. It's not necessarily the exact one, but I like to fill in as much details as possible for YouTube. Now you might notice I'm skipping this title and description here because we use a tool called Tubebuddy that's going to pre-fill this in later. So this is our process and how we do our uploading. So now I've done those two things, I'm going to click next. And then I've got monetization already set to on, and I've got all these already clicked. And then you want to make sure that all these are clicked before, during, and after. Then I'm going to click next. Then I'm going to add an end screen. So I'm going to click add. And the one that I usually go for is this one. So I'm going to click on that. And I'm going to move this one up to the top because it was kind of covering my face there near the end. And then this one right here, I'm going to click on it. This is the next video that your viewer could potentially click on. So you want to put related videos. So this is a Skype video. So I'm going to click choose specific video. And I'm going to choose the previous Skype video that I just released. Right now it has 0 views because it's not released actually until tomorrow morning, but I can still select it. This current video will be released after this one, so it's going to be okay. And you'll see here this video is private. It will be replaced by another video if it isn't public/unlisted. Now that's going to be okay because, like I said, that video is going to come out first tomorrow morning, and then this video right now is going to come out later on in the evening, so it's going to be fine. So I'm going to click save, and then I'm going to click next, and then I'm going to schedule this video to tomorrow. So make sure it's tomorrow. And my first video coming out tomorrow is at 5 a.m. PST, but I want to make this one come out like in the evening, early evening. So maybe I'll just say something like 4 p.m. And then I'm going to click schedule. Now this is where the Tubebuddy SEO Studio comes into play. So if you noticed, I didn't fill out anything, so it's not done yet. I head over back to videos, and because I have the Tubebuddy Chrome extension installed, I'm going to hover over here and you're going to see this TV that stands for Tubebuddy. I'm going to click on that and head over to SEO Studio. This allows you to streamline your SEO, which stands for Search Engine Optimization. My business partner, Arit, pre-fills this in for me so that when I come to upload, everything's already set in. If you don't have someone else to do that for you, you can do your SEO Studio beforehand, before you do your video, and then when you're ready to upload, come here and do exactly as I'm doing. So because this was pre-filled in by my business partner, I'm now going to go to SEO Studio. And it's a new feature by Tubebuddy, which I really am enjoying right now. It's made uploading so much easier. I don't have to copy and paste so many things like I used to. So because my business partner has already loaded SEO template in for this video, I'm gonna click load saved from draft, and then this video right here, how to make a Skype call, how to make a Skype video and audio call 2020. So I'm gonna click on that. When you click on that, it pre-fills in everything because it was already set up beforehand. So as you can see, the title's in, the description's in, like everything is really good. Now from here, I'm gonna click next. The tags are already filled in automatically. I'm gonna click next again. The thumbnail's already ready to go. My business partner already pre-filled that in, like I said, with the SEO Studio from Tubebuddy. And if you guys are interested in this whole Tubebuddy thing, you don't know what I'm talking about, head down to the description below and you guys can check that out. So from here, I'm going to click next. And then here it says apply to my video. So I'm going to apply this to the video. And it's going to populate everything. Close SEO Studio. I'm just showing you guys our process, how we're able to publish so many videos at a time. Now everything is pretty much all filled in, so now I'm going to click Save Changes. And you might be thinking, oh, the thumbnail's not there. Well, it actually shows up after, and I'll show you in just a second. So I'm going to head back to the YouTube Studio, and then we're going to head over to Videos. And you'll see here the video that we just did is right here. How to make a Skype video and audio call. So that is it right there with the new thumbnail. And there was that other video I was talking about that's going to go out first. So this one's going out March 27th at 5 a.m. And this one's going out at March 27th at 4 p.m. So there's 2 videos going out tomorrow. So that is pretty much how we upload videos. It's very important to create a system, especially for us because we do upload videos Monday to Thursday, sometimes Fridays. We're also doing live streams right now during this crazy time. So that was our whole process, and the Tubebuddy SEO Studio tool has made it really easy for us. Like I said, my business partner, Urit, she pre-fills in all the title, the description, the tags, does the thumbnail, loads it up into SEO Studio. Then when it's my turn to upload the video, it's already ready to go and I just load it up. So that is our uploading process on YouTube. Like I said, if you guys want to check out Tubebuddy, head down to the description below. If you have any further questions, please also let me know. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.